Design is actually something that actually defines the interaction between an individual and a service, if you like, or a product or technology or whatever. Again, some of you may be driving home today after you've been working. Put yourself behind the steering wheel and think all of a sudden as the dashboard, the steering wheel, the windows, the screens, the pedals, the gearbox, everything are actually interaction elements. And it's been organized in order to allow you to operate something, in this case, a car. You may have seen this model before. It's not a model we invented, but it's basically serves to say that you'll have to be in the intersection of what the business ambition is and what is feasible from a technology point of view and what people want. So you can pretty much run every kind of business into that model here. So if you're a bank, you want to grow and you want to extend your loan offerings or whatever, expand into a neighboring country or develop new mortgage services, doesn't really matter. That's what we call viability. That is a strategic imperative of any venture, okay? And then the other component or leg here is, of course, what is feasible. How can technology support my ambitions, okay? So I have an ambition. I want to, develop a new mortgage platform. And then I look at the technologies actually that can deliver that type of mortgage platform digitally in a super nice way, drive out cost, whatnot. And then the third sort of square is really about the people desirability. It's understanding what people really want. And many companies are very, very focused on viability and feasibility, but they totally ignore desirability. Howard Schultz, he said, at first we thought we were in the coffee business serving people. We soon discovered it was the exact opposite. We were in the people business serving coffee, right? So it's just a play with words. Are you in the coffee business serving people, or are you in the people business serving coffee? But it really is a tremendous paradigm shift. And actually I've met Howard Schultz a couple of years ago. I wrote a case about Starbucks and I had the privilege of interviewing him and the two other co-founders. And they were like extremely focused on desirability, experience, people behavior. And that's also why when you walk into a Starbucks store, the furniture is never the same. It's always a little bit like everyone's home, right? Because I have a nice home actually, but because I have a wife that's really into sort of organizing these things. But still I have a mixed match of furniture and tables and stuff, and they wanted to mimic that. So when you walk into a Starbucks store, you will not see the perfectly organized interface, if you like, as you will experience at McDonald's. And that is for a reason, because they're creating a home away from home.